There is one single AI system that every B2B company should have. And honestly, I'm surprised this is not that common. Your CRM has a lot of opportunities within. You have a lot of leads that you haven't talked with in 3 months, 6 months, or even a year. And all those leads in the meantime, maybe raised some money, maybe posted something on LinkedIn that might be related to your product. So those are actually easy opportunities for you. So in this video, what I will do is I will show you the system that you can use to research those leads, search the new information about that, and then be notified when they have a specific signal that might be relevant for your business. If this is your first time here, I'm Ricardo, and over the past 18 months, I've implemented over 30 plus AI system for B2B sales and marketing teams. In this channel, I'll show you the practical side of AI for sales and marketing. With that said, let's get started. The system that we are about to see is a lead reactivation system. Essentially, what we are doing is we are checking within the CRM for leads that have close lost opportunities or leads that we haven't engaged with in the past 90 days, 6 months, or 1 year, for example. And then we are going to enrich those leads with some specific information. So we are looking to get their latest LinkedIn post. We are looking to get their latest news about them and their company. And all of this information will be fed to an AI agent that will categorize the signals. If a signal then is found, everything will be sent out to Slack with a Slack message, so that in that way you can reach out in a personalized way to them, and you know which person to reach out. This system could be fully automated if we really wanted to, but in this specific case, we will just send a Slack message so that you can do one-on-one personalized outreach to these kind of people. Now, let me show you how everything works within N8N. So what we have over here is we get all the leads that have a closed lost or all the leads within a specific status. Right now, what we are doing is a we are using data tables that are within N8N, but keep in mind what we can do over here is we can use Salesforce, we can use HubSpot, we can use any CRM of choice. Then we are looking for the LinkedIn profile to make sure that we have information about the LinkedIn profile. And then we are iterating over every single lead and gathering information. Right now, over here, I just have 2 data points that I want to use. So we have the LinkedIn post and then we have Google News as 2 data points that we take from Apify. But keep in mind what you can do here possibly is you can add additional data points if you want to, or you can only add a specific data point if the lead is hyper qualified. So if, for example, you reached almost the final stage with the lead, but timing wasn't correct or something like that, what you can do is you can further enhance personalization in this step by adding other fields such as their company data, their Instagram, or whatever the case might be. Then every input is merged at the end. And finally, we use OpenAI, we use this LLM to gather the information. What we are essentially getting here is we are sending a signal. We are not sending a signal, but we are gathering signals based on a taxonomy, a structure over here. I took this prompt from a Apify video, so that is that I thought that was really relevant. But essentially, what we can do over here is based on all the information that we have, we can categorize every possible signal that the company might have. So, like product launches, successes, partnerships, market expansion, all sort of things, and then everything could be formatted. Everything could be formatted. So in this example over here, I don't know how much you can see is we have a specific person, this Chad, and then what we find over here is we have some different signals. So in this case, we have LinkedIn as a signal. This is defined as event speaking. So this prospect probably is speaking at an event and or it's having a workshop, and the system will send this kind of information. Finally, what we have over here is we send the information directly to Slack. So let me show you Slack and let me show you So this is what you would see within Slack. You will see the new signal, you will see the lead name, company name, what is the relevant signal that we are talking about, as well as an overview that was AI generated by the system itself. So you can consider this as a insight system on all the people that you previously speak to. So you don't have to research them all the time and spend all the time in going back, understanding which lead is ready or which lead is not ready. So that's it. And if you are sitting here thinking, how should I be implement this within my business? You can check the first link in the description. We can book a call together and we can talk to. Direct link, no hassle, no form to fill out, things like that. If you're interested in that, just click that. If not, no worries. With that said, that's everything on my side. Like, click, subscribe, do whatever you want. See you in the next video. Bye.